Hey everyone, now I'm going to show you a tutorial step by step on how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. Okay, so before that, I'm just going to quickly explain what is Alibaba. So Alibaba is a marketplace that sells a very cheap product that is very complete and very affordable. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so first you open up your Shopify, and after this you go to the search bar and you type in dropshipping. And search dropshipping in Shopify App Store. You click it. Okay, now you're here. You need to look for CJDropshipping, which is here. You click on it. Okay, click install. Just wait for it. Okay, click install again. Okay, so actually I've made an account before, but if you don't have an account, you can just register here. But for me, I'm just gonna click authorize. Okay, so now I'm here in CJ Dropshipping, and what you want to do is just you go to this my CJ here, you click on it. Okay, now you go to your dashboard. Okay, and you need to make sure that your Shopify store is authorized. Click on this and Shopify. Okay, you need to click add store, authorize, and open here. Okay, and click on authorize again, confirm, and click authorize again. Okay, so now your store is authorized. Okay, so now we're here in CJ Dropshipping, and now what you want to do is just search for products. I'm actually gonna choose this one, and what you want to do is you click on this button, add to my products. Click on this. You need to choose products that has like a video or like a very professional image, you know, so it's very credible. You can just click on this too if you want. Okay, I've chosen 2 products, and now what you want to do is click on my products here. Click on it. Okay, now you can just click on this list button here. I'm clicking it. Okay, so now everything here is customizable. You can change your title, your product type, your vendor, everything. Maybe I'm gonna type in Tumblr vendor, maybe like manufacturer, I don't know. Tag, so you don't need to type this at all. You can actually change your variant pricing as well. You can just click on recommended listing price and it will automatically change your price. Also images and videos, you can also change all of this. It's just very nice. And also your description, it is also changeable. So yeah, it's very nice, right? Okay, so now you can just click list it now if you're done. Alright, okay, so now we can just go to our Shopify store and check if the product is there. Click on products. Yep, as you can see, the product is there, and you can customize it still in Shopify. Okay, including like your variants, your category, your tags, your vendor type, everything. It's basically very customizable, so it's very nice, including your search engine listing here. So yeah, I guess that's it for today, guys. Now you know how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. If you have any comments, leave down below and I'll try to answer all of it. And yeah, thanks for watching, everyone.